Here are straightforward steps to print emails on an iPad using an AirPrint printer. Let's see how to do it. To print email on an iPad wirelessly, you're going to need a Wi-Fi printer called an AirPrint printer. First, you can add a printer manually to your local network from the printer panel or by using the company's printer app. I've done this with my Canon printer, and my printer is now ready to print wirelessly from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Please watch my tutorial linked in the video description. Open the Mail app on your iPad and tap on the email you want to print. On the preview panel, scroll all the way down and look for the forward icon. Scroll through the share sheet and tap on Print. Select Printer. You'll find it listed here. Make sure the printer is turned on. Your printer is now ready to print since you set up the page range, color or black and white printing, paper size, double-sided option, orientation, and more under Media and Quality. Additionally, you can adjust the layout settings, including the number of pages per sheet, border size, and the flip horizontally option. Finally, tap the Print option to start printing from your printer. That's it. Please like to support me and subscribe for new video updates. If you have any questions, then comment below.